Iraqi Air Force, fighter jet, special mission jet, helicopter, and trainer jet. Fighter jets. F-16 Fighting Falcon, role, multi-role aircraft, in service, 34. Sukhoi, Su-25, role, attack aircraft, in service, 21. T-50, Golden Eagle, role, light attack aircraft, in service, 24. Arrow, L-159 Alka, role, light attack aircraft, in service, 12. Cessna, 208 Caravan, role, attack aircraft, in service, 2. Special mission jets. AMD, Alaris, role, surveillance, in service, 7. Super King Air 350, role, surveillance, in service, 6. DHC-6, Twin Otter, role, surveillance, in service, 2. Cessna 208 Caravan, role, reconnaissance, in service, 3. Helicopters. Aerospatiale Gazelle, role, scout and anti-armor, in service, 6. MiL, Mi-17, role, transport helicopter, in service, 2. Trainer jets. T-6, Texan 2, role, trainer jet, in service, 15. Utva, Lasta, role, trainer jet, in service, 19. Arrow L-159 Alka, role, trainer jet, in service, 2. Bell, 206, role, rotorcraft trainer, in service, 9. Cessna 208, Caravan, role, trainer and utility, in service, 4. On orders. T-6, Texan 2, role, light attack, on order, 24. POC, Super Mushshak, role, trainer jet, on order, 20. Bell, 412, role, utility helicopter, on order, 12. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, share this video, like this video and comment.